You need more than one warehouse and different inventories? Use the warehouse function from our Shopware Beyond plan for this purpose. As a merchant who has different inventories, you need to manage the stocks of products and the respective availability of them for your shop. The multi-inventory function ensures that products can be purchased independent of the inventory location as long as they are available in one of them. Depending on the scenario, availability can be managed using warehouse groups and with priorities in addition to being configured using the rule builder. So welcome to a new video from our Beyond series. If you have multiple warehouses to store your products, you can define and manage your warehouses in this mask. You can group your warehouses with a region or enable regional shipping in combination with rules. But please note, this feature is available as part of the Beyond plan from version 6.4.19 and upwards. So let's get started. You'll find the warehouse management in Settings, Shop, and then Warehouses. In here you can manage your warehouses. These warehouses appear in the product mask, and you can manage the stocks for every warehouse within the products. The view shows the available warehouses and the warehouse groups they are attached to. To add an additional warehouse, you can just click on the button Add Warehouse. So start by giving the warehouse a name up here. In the description, you can put additional information about the warehouse, such as address or the stored products. In the drop-down menu down here, Warehouse Groups, you can add the warehouse to one or more warehouse groups. The goal is to prioritize the warehouse or the warehouses within the order in relation to the shipping address, in addition with rules. For example, for international shipping, the order would be sent from warehouses near the shipping address to shorten the delivery times and tax and avoid customs. After saving your warehouse, you can now edit a warehouse by clicking on the context menu on right. So you can either go to the editing mode or you can delete this warehouse. So by clicking on edit, you just go to the warehouse mask again. Down here, you can also delete the warehouse by clicking this button. So let's add a warehouse group. Just click on Add Warehouse Group for this. Start by defining a warehouse group name for your warehouse group. In our example, I just named the warehouse group England. Keep in mind that this is a mandatory field. Then you can set the priority. This is used in combination with the rule to select assigned warehouses for the shipment of orders. Use the internal description to add additional information about the warehouse groups, and in the drop-down list rule, you can select a rule to select the warehouse groups or group that fits the order. Now we have to assign our warehouse group to a warehouse. Below the definition fields, you find the area to assign warehouses to the warehouse groups. If there are no warehouses assigned, it should look like this. So to assign warehouses to the warehouse group, click on the button Add Warehouses. Choose the warehouses with the checkbox on the left-hand side to add them to the warehouse groups. To save, just click on Add One Warehouses. After that, don't forget to save in general. Now let's prioritize warehouses with a warehouse group. So if products are stored in several warehouses of a warehouse group, you can prioritize them in the column priority. Double-click the priority field down here. If you want to change the priority of the warehouse, so just, add another priority number. In our case, I'll just take 2 for Germany. Keep in mind that the higher priority is the lower number. After you have entered the priority, just click on Save. So save is the check button here. And to cancel the entry, just click on the X button. And last but not least, I want to show you how you delete a warehouse from a warehouse group. So you can use 2 ways to delete a warehouse from a warehouse group. First one, within the list of warehouses, click on the context menu and just click on Delete. Or open a warehouse and click on the X in the group entry. This is this one here. Or open the drop-down list and click on the check mark to remove the group. So this one. If you want to edit and delete a warehouse group, just, edit a warehouse group by clicking on the context menu here as well. Or if you want to delete a warehouse group within the warehouse group, just scroll down and click on Delete Warehouse Group. Otherwise, as well, use the context menu for this.